If you could use one word to describe the home behind me, it would be opportunity. Standing behind me is one hell of a deal, and I'm gonna give you the first look. Now this 2-bed, 2-bath condo is located right on University Drive, less than a half mile from ASU, which means it's bikeable and walkable to the university. You can throw a rock and hit Dilly's Deli, one of my favorite sandwich shops in town. And the best part, it's priced well below market value because this home is a dump. Now I know what you're thinking. It looks like this place needs a lot of work. Well, it does. But this place is only 864 square feet, which means a remodel won't be that expensive. In fact, I project you could renovate this entire condo for only $17,000. So let's do the math together and see how profitable this little place could be. After a renovation, this condo can sell for between $185,000 and $195,000. Let's be conservative and use the $185,000 mark. Subtract 12 grand in commissions and closing costs, 17 grand for the renovation, $1,000 for carrying costs, and finally take another 140 grand to purchase the place in its current condition. And you're left with a cool $16,000 worth of profit. And that's using a conservative final sales price. Now another option for this home would be to rent it after the remodel. Now in this scenario, you're only into the home for about 157 grand, and I could project that you'd make about $1,200 a month on rent. Now that's some good cash flow. So if you want to lay your eyes on a killer investment opportunity, then call me Mike Delina with North & Co, and I'll show you 510 West University Drive in Tempe. Let's go make some money together.